What's up, y'all? It's Sotero's back with another YouTube video. I'm using my actual phone camera because my camera is dead. Sorry if y'all can hear that wind around. But today, we are going to be making Spencer's famous spaghetti tacos. But yeah, of course, the process takes a long time. So obviously, I'm either going to be cutting through the video or speeding through the video. So yeah, let's get to it. The three key details: spaghetti, your shells, your meat. But the biggest detail of all, the hamburger, but I cannot show that on YouTube because that's nasty. And of course, your secret pink drink. Of course, Spencer didn't use all of this, but I like my seasoning, y'all. Especially a little. Back in my room, sorry about the fans, y'all, making the noise, but let's see how this tastes. Let's see how it tastes. I grew up watching iCarly, so it is really an honor to eat this. Really, truly. This is messy. Really messy. Get some meat in there. Y'all, oh my goodness. I didn't bite it yet, y'all. I was trying to get the noodles off. All right, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow. Wow, y'all. And I have the shells that taste like Doritos. Oh my God. Wow. My childhood dreams are not fulfilled yet. I'm not gonna hold you. They're not fulfilled yet. My iCarly dreams fulfilled. I know what a spaghetti taco tastes like. Sorry, I don't know why I said taco so slow. But I have so many other dishes to try. What dishes did I try? What should I make? Spaghetti tacos to ratatouille. Oh my God. Wow. Ah, mother. Can't forget your soda. Ooh. Excuse me. Cheers. Honestly, out of 10, I'd probably give it like an 8.5. I could have did better. Anyway, if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, share. We're only gonna go up from here, from here, from here, from here, from here. We're only gonna go up. Where we gonna go up from here. Anyway, let me know what I should react to. Let me know what type of music to drop. And what FL Studio tips you want. Cause I know FL Studio. Give me some cooking ideas. Give me some cooking ideas. Cause I could cook. As you can see from that, now it's just a little bit. Empanadas, your guy. I'm your guy when it comes to empanada. Okay? I'm your guy when it comes to soda too. Drink water though. Yes, water. You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? Water. With that being said, I will see y'all in the next video.